Some previews in Lightroom Classic can take up quite a bit of space on your drive and cause your system to slow down. Go to Edit and down to Catalog Settings to see the location. In the catalog file on your drive, you will see the Previews folder and a Smart Previews folder if you have any. If your standard previews are taking up too much space or you want them to be built faster, you can adjust their size by going to Catalog Settings again and then File Handling. Total size will reveal the amount of space currently taken on your drive by previews. Using the Auto option will build previews that match your monitor resolution, or you can choose a lower resolution or quality to preserve hard drive space. One-to-one previews can take up a lot of space as well. You can mitigate against this by choosing to discard the preview files after a set amount of time. Be aware though, that these previews may take time to be built again. You can also see how much space your smart previews are taking up. As smart previews are built in addition to your other chosen previews, you can see in the histogram panel whether that photo has a smart preview along with the original preview or not. If you want to build a smart preview for a photo, you can click on Original, and a dialog box will appear explaining what a smart preview is and asking if you want to build one. Similarly, you can click on Original and Smart Preview to discard the smart preview of a photo, if you like. A handy way to find all the photos with smart previews in a collection is using a smart collection and filtering by a smart preview. If you find your previews are too small and you'd like Lightroom to generate larger files, you can go to Library, down to Previews, then select the option to build Standard, One-to-One, or Smart Previews. Lightroom Classic will build the relevant previews for the photos you had selected, otherwise it will ask you if you want to build previews for just the one photo or all photos in that collection. If you discard Smart or One-to-One previews, it does not delete the edits made. But beware, Lightroom will take some time to rebuild previews next time you use it. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.